Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to fix Instagram is not showing your profile picture on your Android device. So for this guys, I am going to show you different method to fix this issue. So first you need to check your internet connectivity on your device. So internet connection was coming good or bad, first you need to check this. In case your internet connection is not coming not good, so you can 100% face this issue on your Instagram. So in case your internet connection is too good, after this guys you are facing this type of error. So guys, now you need to check the profile picture which you are trying to set on your Instagram. I think the image file format was corrupted on your device, so try to upload another image and check. Hopefully now this time your issue was solved. In case you are facing same type of error, you want to convert the image file format. So you can get lots of online tool to convert the image JPG to PNG, PNG to JPG. Just open any web browser on your device and on the Google you can easily convert this image file format. After converting, now try to set your profile picture. After this guys, you are facing same issue. Now you can try this final and last method. Open your phone settings like this. In the phone settings, go to the apps and notification, and here go to all apps. From here guys, you want to find out your Instagram application. Just scroll down and find out Instagram and open it, and go to the storage and cache, and here you want to clear the Instagram storage and cache. That's it. After this guys, just go back. Now you want to log out your Instagram from your Android device. So open Instagram. On the top right side you can see three lines, just tap on it. From here you want to open the Instagram settings. In the settings you can get the option at the last logout. Just tap on logout option and once again tap on logout. That's it. After logout your Instagram, you want to re-log in the Instagram on your device. After this guys, now hopefully your issue was 100% solved. So that's it for today guys. This is a short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.